Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a baba ganoush. I got a whole bunch of eggplants from the pantry. Call my sister for suggestions and what to do with it. She suggests, why don't you do a baba ganoush? Never done that before. Okay guys, let's go into the kitchen and do the baba ganoush. Guys, these are some beautiful eggplants. Oh my god. And I have so many ideas. Well, my sister and I have so many ideas about it. She has recipes. My mother will enjoy every one of these, trust me guys. I'll take some to the pantry and my mother will be in heaven. This one is all hers. Okay guys, you need to make sure your eggplants are washed and dry before you do all the este. Alright, so don't forget you need to wash them, dry them, and then we start cook them. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil, just slightly, not much. Oh shucks, I didn't preheat the oven. Oops, yikes. Okay guys, this is for the baba ganoush. Pop them in the oven to roast. I think I get all the sides. And then I'm gonna do this. Shouldn't have gone that much. I need to get the garlic because I want to put the garlic in here to roast, to put in here in the baba ganoush too. I think that would be a good idea to roast my garlic. I'm gonna do this tonight and let it sit overnight, and then you guys gonna see how I pack them off to take them. I have some little containers that I'm going to use to put it in. I'll have to just to make sure. Get that away. Okay. And guys, I'm going to leave the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. And this is one of my mom's favorite right here. Her absolute favorite. She loves eggplants. So I'll let you know how, after she tastes it, I'll let you guys know what's the result. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. The oven is preheating right now, 400 degrees, and we'll pop them in there, and we'll be right back. Oh boy, look at these guys. They need to go a little bit more. Oh yeah, they're right there though. Oh, these are done. Okay guys, this is the roasted garlic. Back. Leave it in this one. And I'm gonna put these back for a few more minutes. They're just right there. Guys, I'm gonna start to peel the eggplant for the baba ganoush. I'm gonna remove all the skin. Okay guys, I'm removing some of the seeds from the eggplant. This is where I messed up because I was supposed to put the eggplants into a strainer to remove the seeds, to help remove most of the seeds from it. That would have helped me and didn't have to do all that. But I did it. Forgive me, and I won't do it again. We'll make that mistake again, but I will be doing this again. I've never done this before. This is my first time ever doing this. And my sister says, oh, you could do that. I was like, oh boy. Of course I did it. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause this for a little bit and we'll be back. Let's see if I could do it without messing you guys up. Okay guys, ooh, look at that. I'm gonna pause it down a little bit more. I think I need to put the other good stuff in here. Okay, be right back. I thought I had a slime, a lime juicer, but I don't know what I did with it. It must be in a safe place. So I'm trying to use the lime one, because I can't find a lemon squeezer. Oh, it's working, it's working, it's working, I think. Okay. I don't think I need that much. I don't think I need much more than that. Look at that. Alright. Put that in my GB over here. Put the seeds out in there. Alright. Put that there for a few minutes. And we'll start put everything in here. Okay guys, this is looking good already. Okay. I'll add the oil. I'll go with that for now. I add, this is sweet potato, steamed and mashed. It's replacing the tahini that's supposed to be in there. And then I need the garlic. I have the roasted garlic here. I'm using a freshly roasted garlic. Squeeze it right in there. Ooh. Oh, this is squishy. Ah, come on. Do one more in there. Come on. There we go. Alright, that should be good. And then, oh no. A little bit of salt. Just a pinch of salt. You should never do that, guys. Always make sure to get a spoon to do that. Otherwise, if too much salt go in there, you're in trouble. Sour cream. Let me get a spoonful of sour to get the sour cream. Okay, a little bit of black pepper. Yes, guys, I went and found my spoon. And lime juice, lemon juice. Okay. And now we're gonna pulse. Okay, I'm done doing all that. Get a spatula. Okay, so now we're gonna pulse and taste. It needs salt, it needs salt. This is, oh no. It needs salt and a little bit more of the sour cream. And a little bit more. No, I'm not using that. I'm just gonna pour it. again. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, this is going to be so good tomorrow. Oh my God. Pour this out into some nice dish. Oh man, this is going to be perfect tomorrow after I sip. Yes. Okay guys, this is the pepper ghanoush. Okay guys, this smells so good. I made this yesterday evening. Oh, so it's been sitting. Okay, put a little bit of olive oil. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And guys, I want to say thank you to all first responders out there. Stay safe. God bless.